We are just minutes away from the results for the national capital, but the India bloc, the opposition, is already focusing and accusing both the BJP and the Election Commission of alleged malpractice. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party is accusing the BJP of attempting to poach some of their candidates even before the final results are out. Rahul Gandhi, however, suspects that the Election Commission added additional voters in Maharashtra elections. And in Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav now calling the Milkipur bypoll as a well-planned election strategy simply because he believes that it was fully staged by the BJP and the Election Commission. But let's in the meantime put focus on what's exactly happening in the national capital. Delhi ka dil kaun jeetega? Because right on Friday, multiple Aam Aadmi Party leaders claimed that they received certain phone calls from leaders from the BJP saying that they will be offered 15 crore rupees each if they join the party. Now, however, what the party seemed to be unsure exactly of how many of them were even approached in the first place. Even after this meeting with Arvind Kejriwal, the party leaders just couldn't zero in on the number of how many leaders apparently received such calls from what they have been calling from the BJP. Now, while Arvind Kejriwal himself said 16 candidates received calls, there were others who put the number somewhere between 18 to 20, and there were others who couldn't put a number exactly to back their claims. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party seems to be certain that the leaders were approached, but watch how they seem to be now contradicting themselves of what they have said before and now what their current stand is.
7 विधायकों से अब तक संपर्क किया गया है। उन्होंने हमको फोन करके बताया कि 15-15 करोड़ का ऑफर बीजेपी की तरफ से दिया जा रहा है।
12 बजे के आसपास फोन आया था मेरे पास और वो बोल रहे थे मिलने के लिए कि आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं और परवेश वर्मा जी के ने आपसे को फोन मिलवाया है।
अभी और भी बताया गया कि 20 विधायकों के पास आया गया है। हमारे पास तो नहीं है मगर और 20 विधायकों के पास आया, उन्होंने बताया जिन के पास आया था।
देखिए, कल गाली गलौज पार्टी के सदस्य मेरे पास आए थे और उन्होंने कहा कि आप अगर रिजल्ट से पहले पार्टी ज्वाइन करते हैं तो 15 करोड़ रुपए खड़े हैं और अगर कोई साथ में लेके आते हैं तो साथ में आपको मंत्री परिषद का भी ऑफर है।
कितने विधायकों ने कहा कि उनसे संपर्क किया गया है सर?
10 से 15 विधायकों ने ऐसा कहा है।
मैं थोड़ा लेट पहुंचा था लेकिन उस समय 15 करोड़ रुपए की बातचीत हो रही।
और कितने एमएलए?
18-20।
किसी की औकात नहीं जो आदिल अहमद खान को फोन कर ले। भारतीय जनता पार्टी में किसी की औकात नहीं जो मुझे फोन कर ले, पर हमारे साथियों को फोन आया। लगभग 20 लोगों को फोन आया है। 15-15 करोड़ रुपए का ऑफर दिया गया है।
अभी तक 16 से अधिक लोगों को संपर्क किया गया है। 16 से अधिक लोगों को।
Now, miffed with the allegations of horse trading, the BJP already had complained and taken up this issue to the Delhi LG to probe the charges and the allegations that are leveled by the Aam Aadmi Party. Promptly, when we are looking at the ACB, which is the Anti-Corruption Bureau of Delhi, swooped on when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party. And Akhilesh, however, also joining his allies in targeting the poll panel and questioning the poll results even before the counting and the results are out. Listen in as far as the dynamics that seems to be quickly changing ahead of the mandate.
There are many voters that have been deleted. Voters who are in one booth who have been transferred to another booth. Most of these voters come from Dalit communities, tribal communities, minority communities. And we have made repeated requests to the Election Commission. They have not answered us. Now, the only reason they would not respond is that there is something wrong with what they have done.
वोटर्स कहां से आए, वोटर कहां आए, किसका नाम काटा, इसका सारा जवाब इलेक्शन कमीशन ने दिया हुआ है। राहुल गांधी एक प्रकार से कवर फायरिंग कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है 8 तारीख को दिल्ली के रिजल्ट के बाद उनकी पार्टी का दिल्ली में नामो निशान समाप्त होने वाला है।
बगल के जिले जो हैं वहां से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अपने कार्यकर्ता बुलवाए और गाड़ियों के नंबर हैं। अगर आप चाहोगे तो मैं अपने पार्टी के पेज पे कुछ गाड़ियों के नंबर आपको दे दूंगा, डाल दूंगा। प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसरों की आपको वो रिकॉर्डिंग मिल गई होगी जहां पर प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसरों से पूछा कि भाई टारगेट पूरा है कि नहीं है और किस टारगेट में आप हैं, आपको 30 वोट डलवाना है फर्जी या 50 वोट डलवाना है या उससे ऊपर, वो भी रिकॉर्डिंग आपको हम लोगों ने जानकारी दे दी।
Well, Mohit, you have seen as far as on the day when the Delhi election dates that were announced, as far as when it comes to the by-polls, even we have seen that right from the very moment on the opposition sides, they've started questioning why on this particular date when it comes to elections that are being held, why on this particular date voting is being held. And right after voting that has now happened, they are already questioning as far as when it comes to several of those issues that have now come up, whether be it poaching, whether directly communicating to the election commission that it has been biased. All of these things are happening even before the election results are announced.
Well, yes, in fact, the results in Delhi will be clear in some time from now, Amita, but we have seen the massive politics being played. Now, yesterday was the day when there were a complaint filed by the BJP to the ACB, and they wanted to probe the allegation what Aam Aadmi Party leaders have leveled that BJP is trying to post their MLAs for 15 crore rupees. Now, the BJP says that this is the tactic of the Aam Aadmi Party just before any election or any election result. They come out, they shoot and scoot, but this shoot and scoot will not work. They will have to give proof that who exactly were these MLAs, from what numbers, from where they got all these calls, and hence we saw that in a massive action, ACB teams reached Arvind Kejriwal's residence and the residence of other Aam Aadmi Party leaders. So there was a massive drama outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence, but it all boils down to today when the results of Delhi will be declared. We know for a fact that Arvind Kejriwal is the tallest leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, and the results of today will be a clear referendum on Arvind Kejriwal's popularity. Does people of Delhi still want him to lead the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, to be the chief minister, or they want change?
Well, it's actually a winter morning in the national capital, but the battle is intense and heating up because we talk about right amid the rhetoric of poaching and fear and intimidation when it comes to the real issues. Do you believe that they are being ignored for the battle for the national capital? Let's put that out as far as when it comes to what are the real issues of the capital clash. Now, as far as civic issues now that are concerned, because the Delhi LG has often accused the Aam Aadmi Party of neglecting civic infrastructure. We have seen as far as when it comes to the issues of roads, when it comes to paying the salaries of the civic workers, all of them that has been an issue as far as we have seen the bitter war of words being fought. Aam Aadmi Party, they're announcing 2100 rupees monthly allowance for women. We have seen that as far as when it comes to women this time has been the main focus area of the political parties there, because we have seen all three political parties making certain announcement for the women voters. The Aam Aadmi Party there announcing when it comes to the Sanjeevani Yojana free healthcare scheme. This also ran into a roadblock as far as when it comes to the announcement of the scheme that was done by the Aam Aadmi Party. However, declaring the intent to increase the stipend for pujaris and for granthis as well. But there has been protest from the other community as well, saying that, well, first pay us our salaries. And this is the Aam Aadmi Party that has often accused the LG of demolishing shrines, as the Delhi LG has denied, and through documents and papers has been saying that previously when it comes to such decisions has been taken under the leadership of Arvind Kejriwal, who was then the chief minister. However, when it comes to the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, the blame game over the voter list, especially when it comes to the manipulation, that has often been done, and saying that there are certain names who have been deleted, certain names that have been taken off the electoral list. However, when it comes to the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, have also been our loggerheads on the issue of Rohingya and their settlements as well. We have seen the direction that came in from the Delhi LG side as far as identifying the areas where there are illegal immigrants. Aam Aadmi Party then coming across one of the biggest issues that we have seen, accusing directly the Haryana government of poisoning the river Yamuna and the water that is now coming in from Haryana to Delhi. Pradeep, we have seen this as being one of the most contentious issues, and you've been there following as far as Parvesh Verma is also concerned, because he was seen there immersing the effigy of Arvind Kejriwal. He was seen there on the day as far as when it comes to the voting is concerned, the puja that he began from his day from the banks of the river Yamuna. This has been one of the most contentious issues.
Yes, Amita, you're absolutely right, because if you talk about River Yamuna, it has been one of the most contentious issues, and we saw that the political campaign had been revolving around River Yamuna. We saw that how Arvind Kejriwal, he leveled charges against Haryana government for poisoning the Yamuna water. For that, an FIR has also been lodged against him, because Election Commission of India felt that Arvind Kejriwal was not able to give any evidence in this regard. They shot a letter to him, they asked him to provide evidence, but Arvind Kejriwal, whatever evidence was provided was not enough. They felt that he has failed to provide evidence because he was trying to spread a kind of a hatred. But yes, now Now, we have seen that the biggest question that had been haunting everybody all these days has been Dil Dhadke for whom? And final countdown will already begin at 7 a.m. Finally, the counting is going to start, and within hours, one will get to know what way the political pendulum is going to swing. Whether it's going to be Aam Aadmi Party or whether it's going to be comeback for the BJP, because it was 27 years in 1998, back in 1998. It was Sushma Swaraj government. Since then, BJP had not been in power in Delhi. Whether the drought of 27 years is going to end, only the time will decide. And whether
crores and crores of money being spent on the cleaning of Yamuna, however, not much has changed, and this, however, continues to remain the main pole plank of the political parties in Delhi. But let's, in the meantime, also focus what has happened in the 24 hours just before the Delhi mandate that is to be announced. And now here is Arvind Kejriwal again raising the allegations of Operation Lotus, accusing the BJP of poaching, horse trading, as far as Kejriwal and other leaders who came out to say that certain leaders were approached from the Aam Aadmi Party by leaders allegedly from the BJP, and 15 crore rupees that was offered, and also said that you will be given plum posts once you join the BJP. Aam Aadmi Party, however, saying that 16 candidates were approached, and acting on a complaint that was taken up from the BJP side, the Delhi LG then quickly issued directions to the ACB to intervene and to ask questions and conduct an investigation as per when it comes to the charges leveled by the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP, however, has been claiming that these allegations are false and baseless. How can one approach opposition party leaders, or as far as in this case, when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party in this case, even before the election results are out, or even before when it comes to candidates winning? The BJP is now claiming that this is an issue as far as when it comes to that the Aam Aadmi Party is facing imminent defeat. The LG, however, desires investigation by the ACB in this matter. So all of these issues that have now taken up as far as just 24 hours or less than that before the election results that has now been announced. However, Isha, let's take a look as far as when it comes to the LG there, directing the ACB to investigate. Certain leaders were asked that they need to be giving their statement and to substantiate with evidence all of the claims, all of the charges that they have been making.
Well, Amita, actually the Aam Aadmi Party is also somewhat on a back foot here, because they don't have any proof. In fact, when we also spoke to all of their MLAs, several of their MLAs yesterday, we asked them a simple question: is there proof? How can you claim that you are being poached, and how do you not have any claims to substantiate that? So when the Aam Aadmi Party made such tall claims in front of the media, the first question that came to the fore was, where is the proof? And now the LG has intervened, while the Aam Aadmi Party has been echoing it since a long time that the LG has been acting at the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party and is a tool, and he is the reason why the Aam Aadmi Party cannot function properly in Delhi, because he keeps cutting them off. That is what the Aam Aadmi Party is alleged. In fact, there was a high voltage drama right where we're standing. In fact, this is where the ACB team was here, and the ACB team was trying to enter Arvind Kejriwal's residence but was not allowed to for a very long time. Right. In fact, later, the Arvind Kejriwal's legal team also did state that...
Right. Of course, the action that is now expected to continue throughout the day as well, because what Isha is pointing out as far as what has been this notice that the ACB or the Anti-Corruption Bureau has now issued to Arvind Kejriwal. Let's put out when it comes to those questions that are concerned, because with the evidence they want to substantiate as far as the charges and the allegations leveled by the Aam Aadmi Party. Did you post bribe claim on X? Because there was a certain post made by Arvind Kejriwal making that charge. Can you give details of the 16 MLAs of the leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party who you believe have been approached by the party, which is the BJP? Can you give details of the numbers? Because they did put out one particular number, however, saying that it is now up to the investigative agencies to probe. And can you prove when it comes to the bribe charges that have been made? Because you've been saying that several of the leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party have been approached offering 15 crore each and plum positions. Let's in the meantime talk about what Sanjay Singh has to say from the Aam Aadmi Party to the ACB, saying that one of their leaders identified as Mukesh Ahlawat got a call, and we have seen that saying that he was the one who got a certain call from a number, where that number has also been put out in public, and saying that Ahlawat got a call at around 12:09 p.m. as far as saying that the caller then offered him 15 crore rupees and saying that join the BJP and leave the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that this was the offer that was given to Mukesh Ahlawat, saying that not just him, 6 other MLAs also from the Aam Aadmi Aadmi Party got similar offers and similar calls, and many MLAs told me that they were being lured by the BJP. However, when it comes to the BJP saying that it is rattled by my allegations, saying that this is now coming at a time when the election results are about to be announced, and the alacrity that has been now shown in ordering the probe by the Delhi LG, that is also being questioned by the Aam Aadmi Party here, saying that such alacrity and such proactiveness has not been shown otherwise. So Mohit, as far as the investigation here is concerned, because how we are looking at that would be taken forward on the day when the election results would be announced, especially when it comes to the charges and the allegations leveled by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, yes, Amita, we have seen that how the ACB has reached, ACB had yesterday reached the residence of Arvind Kejriwal. The notice has been given, and certain questions have been asked by the ACB to Arvind Kejriwal and the team, because the BJP has also been saying that please tell us the who exactly called you, who exactly were the persons who got the call, the exact number of MLAs. We talk to us more on that. We have Praveen Shankar Kapoor from the Delhi BJP. Sir, एक आज बड़ा दिन है, लेकिन कल जो सब हुआ, अरविंद केजरीवाल के ACB की टीम गई उनके एलिगेशंस के बाद, और एसीबी ने सवाल पूछे कौन से आपके एमएलएज हैं, कब फोन आया, डिटेल्स मांगी, कितने एमएलए हैं, और नंबर को लेके भी कुछ जो आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता है वो साफ नहीं, कभी उन्होंने कहा 6, कभी कहा 15, लेकिन 15 करोड़ रुपए देने का इल्जाम लगाया। क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, ये पूरा चुनाव आम आदमी पार्टी के पास दिल्ली की जनता को कुछ भी पॉजिटिव बताने को नहीं था। उन्होंने आरोपों प्रत्यारोपों से चुनाव लड़ा। चुनाव का नतीजा आने लगा, उन्हें मालूम पड़ गया कि जमीन खिसक चुकी है, वह हार रहे हैं, तो जाते जाते भी एक नाटक नौटंकी की गई।
Well, live reactions continue to come in from the biggest team there on ground, because there are just minutes left from now from the ballot boxes that would be opened and the counting will begin for the national capital. Delhi ka dil kaun jeetega, and right from the early trends to the final tallies, we promise to bring you the fastest and the most accurate updates on India's election news headquarters. This is Times Now. Stay tuned.